In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to charge flat rate shipping on Shopify. First, sign into your Shopify admin so we're working directly in the back end of your store. Make sure you're in the right store and logged in with permission to edit shipping settings. From the admin dashboard, head to Settings, then open Shipping and Delivery. This is the control center for shipping profiles, zones, and rates. In the shipping section, look for General Shipping Rates and open it. This is the default profile most stores use. If you also use custom profiles for special products, the process is the same there, but today we'll work in general so the change applies broadly. Inside the profile, find the shipping zones area and choose the zone where you want to offer a flat fee. Click Add Rate. Zones are groups of countries or regions, so the flat fee you set here will only apply to customers whose addresses fall inside that zone. When the rate window opens, choose flat rate as the rate type. This tells Shopify you're charging a single fixed amount rather than pulling real-time carrier prices or using an app calculated cost. Give the rate a clear customer-friendly name, for example, standard shipping or economy flat rate. The name appears at checkout, so keep it simple and descriptive. If you plan to add multiple speeds later, include the expected delivery window in the name, like 3-5 business days. Next, enter the price you want to charge. Pick an amount that covers average postage, packaging, and handling, and leaves a small buffer for heavier orders or distant destinations within that zone. Remember, this is a fixed fee, so set it with your margins in mind. You can change it anytime as you learn your true costs. Click Done and then click Save at the top or bottom of the page. Saving is essential. Your changes won't go live until you do. That's it, your flat rate will now be offered at checkout to shoppers in the selected zone. To double check, run a quick test order to an address in that zone and confirm the label and amount look right. If you sell to multiple regions, repeat the same setup inside each zone with the appropriate price. Keep an eye on conversion rates and shipping expenses over time, and adjust the flat fee as needed to stay profitable while keeping checkout simple for your customers.